Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about asymptotes. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to consider about vertical asymptotes. So in this one, we need to find about the domain in here. So in this situation, we see that this one cannot equals to number 0, but when we try to find the solution of this one, they don't have real solution. That means there is no value of x to make sure that this one equal to number 0 in here. So we can say the domain in here is about from negative infinity to positive infinity, because the highest power we have number 4. So number 4 is greater than number 0. That means they always positive number in here, and we don't have the root to create equal to number 0. So we can say that there is no vertical asymptote. Now let's go to horizontal asymptotes. So in this one, we need to find about the limit and as approach to positive infinity. So this one I will divide by s on numerator and denominator. So we have like this. So s go inside the square root, and now that should be like this. So we have 1 minus 2 over s. So over the square root, s go inside the square root. So we have 4s squared plus 3s plus 2 over s squared. Now s squared divided by s squared, s divided by s squared, number 2 divided by s squared. So we have like this. Now when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Number 2 divided by positive infinity, you got 0. Similar for this one and this one. So we can simplify like this. So this one we have 1 over 2. So we have one vertical we have one horizontal asymptote. That is about y equals to 1 over 2. Now let's go to the limit. And s approach to negative infinity. For this one, so in this situation, I will use about s equals to negative t. So we change s into negative t. So negative t approach to negative infinity. because we have the negative sign and negative sign, so we change into t approach to positive infinity. About s, we change by negative t. So we use the same technique that I did in here, and this one we have negative 1 over 2, so we have the second one. So we have two horizontal asymptotes in here, this one and this one. That is the end. Thank you for watching.